In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the camshaft position sensor on this Toyota Tacoma with a 2.4 liter engine. It's located underneath the intake, however we do not have to remove the intake for this. Let's install this TRQ sensor. Looking at this engine, if you go underneath the throttle body, right in there, you'll be able to locate your camshaft position sensor, which is that black connector going straight up into the side of the head. With the help of a long flathead screwdriver, press on this connector, or the tab for the connector, and pry it away. Once that's out of the way, there's going to be a 10mm bolt, a little tricky to see, but it's basically on the other side of that connector there. You can reach in with an extension and remove it. If you come in through the side of the intake with a couple longer extensions and a swivel socket, you should be able to get to that bolt. Once it's loose, you should be able to reach it through here and finish unthreading it. My bolt fell down, but I can reach it with a magnet, fish it out. With that same long screwdriver that I used at the beginning, I'm going to try and pry the sensor out of the head. Try not to break it, of course, but usually prying it away works great. There we go. Get that O-ring unstuck. Sneak some pliers down there. Grab it, pull it out, and remove it. Inspect the mounting area as much as you can, and then grab the new sensor and slide it in. Be very careful when you're trying to seat this sensor in so that it actually goes in straight and doesn't get damaged in the process. You also don't want to squish it in with the bolt, otherwise that can bend or break that mounting ear, and then you have problems. Obviously, you're going to have to replace it. So try and be gentle, push it in with whatever you can, just make sure that it's seated before you bolt it in tight. What I'm going to do is actually put the bolt in, start it a couple threads so that I can pull it in on one side, and then I'm going to come in with a pry bar and very gently push it in from this side. That'll basically even out the pressure. Make that bolt nice and snug. Get your tool off of it. Plug in the electrical connector. Oh, there we go. That clicked. I had to pry it in with the screwdriver. At this point, you would turn on the engine. If you had a check engine light, clear it. Make sure it runs and obviously starts properly. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.